Rough ride, huh? Seems the road is reflecting your mood.
Just passing through, looking for something.
Most folks out here are lost souls chasing mirages. Seen a lot of them come and go. Seen them fade into the dust.
Used to think I was different. Used to believe I could make a difference. All those faces staring back at me. Promises I couldn't keep.
Loss is a cruel teacher. Leaves its mark on the soul, a scar that will never fade.
How do you take it, knowing that everything ends and will be forgotten?
Time is not the enemy. It's the gift that expires. Death always wins. We're just tiny specks roaming randomly in the vast darkness of the universe, thinking we have an impact. Look at us, getting too deep over lukewarm coffee. I gotta get back to the road. You keep searching, son. Don't let the shadows win.